right, it says 50 to 60 minutes, but look at that. Oh gosh, it's like a disaster. If you know me personally, I'm always looking to switch up the recipes whenever I find them to make them a little bit healthier. You guys, this is 5 cups of blueberries. These are straight from our garden, from our yard. And then I have a little bit more, but I'm just gonna save it. And I'm gonna sub out and use frozen blueberries, or in this case, a frozen berry blend. And I'm actually gonna also sub out and use some chia seeds. So I'm gonna do 1 frozen cup of berries, and then I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. And that is just to add more fiber, more nutrition into this. 1 cup of frozen berries mix. There we go. But 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. My baby's cooking with me. Say hello. Bippity boppity boop. There you go. Let's turn off the fire. And I'm just gonna let this cool off while we mix the rest of the ingredients. The zest of 1 lemon. Bippity boppity boop. Now we need a squeeze of 1 lemon. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1 cup of sugar. 4 teaspoons of flour. Look at this. It's like super thick now. See, I'm gonna mix this up gently because I don't know why I picked a tiny bowl for this. That was dumb. Bippity boppy. Boop. That's all mixed up. Let's go ahead and add this jammy mix. Let's let this cool off. Mostly the jam needs to cool off. And then let's work on the pie crust. I just bought this. So I'm gonna roll it out. I'm gonna use this ugly pie tin that I have. Hey, it works. Did I ever tell you I don't really bake? Right. Okay. To this. Do you want to see what Mommy's doing? What kind of pie do you think we're making?
Blueberry pie.
Ooh, you want a little bite of the filling?
What filling?
This is the blueberries.
Yeah.
You want to take a little bite?
Yeah.
Okay, you have a little spoon?
Not yet.
Not yet. It's a perfect answer. All right, and then you're gonna take a spoon. Okay, go ahead. How does that taste? Oh, okay. Huh? 1 more spoon. Okay, that's it, buddy. How does it taste?
It tastes like sugar cake.
It tastes...
With sunflowers in it.
Sunflowers. So it tastes like summer?
Yeah.
So, hold the spoon. And then you can lick this part. How about that? Whoa. Oh gosh, what is your sister doing? Okay. Whoa, that looks amazing, doesn't it?
But save half of it, I think.
Save half of it for what? For your mouth?
For me.
To eat? We're gonna bake it for everybody. But guess what? I'll save this spoon, this nice yummy spoon, and you can lick it. Okay, here's another scoop. Let's go ahead and put the lace. Okay, let's go do a little like, well, instead of egg wash, I think I'm just gonna use like a butter wash. I don't know.
Mommy,
We melted some coconut oil right here, and then this little guy, my little helper, is gonna paint it, all right? Let me see, is this better for you, best for you? Okay, paint it. That looks great. Paint it all over. Into the oven at 375 degrees for 50 minutes. Okay, there it is. Beautiful, hopefully you do good. I don't know if I would want to pull it out.